morning students. Today we study the important topic of kingdom planting division, gymnosperm. Gymno means naked, sperma means seed. We can say that gymnosperm is made up of two words in which gymno means naked and sperma means seed. That is naked seeded plants. The group of plants in which ovules are not enclosed by any ovary wall and remain exposed both before and after fertilization. These are the seed bearing plants, that is spermatophytes. The plant body represents the diploid sporophytic phase in the life cycle. They may be moderated size, just like the jingo, palm-like, that is cycas, and tall tree, that is sequoia. The redwood tree, this is the tallest gymnosperm, or we can say that redwood tree or sequoia semi-permanent plant is the tallest gymnospermic plant. It is occur in the California. Plant body is differentiated into true root, stem, and leaves. So these are the differentiation of plant in root, stem, and leaves. Now, first of all, we take all the three main organs of the plant. Roots are mostly taproot, but they become associated with other organisms, as we can say that two type of roots occur in different kind of gymnospermic plants. Number one, pinus roots harbor fungi and become mycorrhizae, as we studied these mycorrhizae in previous lesson. This is the association between the roots of higher plants and fungi, in which the fungi provide the minerals and moisture, while the roots provide shelter to the fungi. So this is a kind of mutual relationship. Second, cycas roots. Here the roots are small specialized roots called as corolloid roots. This is very important one. Corolloid roots occur in cycas. Now the cortical cells of these corolloid roots harbor the cyanobacteria and help in the process of nitrogen fixation. So this is also very important one more question. Now second is the stem. Stem is unbranched in cycas, dichotomously or divided into two branches in jingo, and profusely branched in conifer, just like the pinus. So we can say that stem unbranched in cycas, divided into two branches only in jingo, and profusely branched in the pinus. They have the well-developed vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem. And xylem has tracheids and phloem has sieve cells in most of the gymnosperms, while xylem vessels are seen only in the gnetum. Gnetum is a kind of gymnospermic plant. Now leaves. Leaves are simple in gnetum and jingo, needle-like in conifer, just like pinus and cedrus, and large pinnately compound leaves occur in the cycas. Leaves show the xerophytic adaptations like thick cuticle, sunken stomata. Very important one more question. Sunken stomata means stomata धंसे रहते हैं. Stomata embedded inside the epithelial tissue of the cell. These are the sunken stomata. And transfusion tissue and needle-like leaves to reduce the surface area for the transpiration. Or we can say that this is the adaptation in these xerophytic plants as well as in these gymnospermic plants, which check the rate of transpiration. All these characters are adaptation in such kind of plants. All of these check the rate of transpiration. Now reproduction in gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are heterosporous, that is produce haploid, micro and megaspores within the sporangia that are borne in sporophylls arranged spirally along an axis to form the strobili or cones. The cones bearing the microsporophytes and microsporangia called as microsporangiate or male strobili. This is the structure of cone. These cones are occur on the pinus. Go through the structure of cone. Okay. Now, male gametophyte. The microspores develop into a male gametophyte generation which is highly reduced and is confined only a limited number of the cells. This reduced gametophyte is called as pollen grain. Now, development of this pollen grain takes place in microsporangia. So we can say that pollen grains or male gametes are developed inside the microsporangia. Now, female strobili. The cones bearing megasporophylls with ovules or megasporangia called as macrosporangiate. It means macrosporangiate consisting of the megasporangia on megasporophylls. These are the large leaf-like structure. Now, or female strobili. The male or female cones may be born on the same tree called as monoecious conditions, or as in pinus. We can say that pinus is the monoecious plant where male and female strobili cones are present on the same plant, or on different trees, that is dioecious condition, as in cycas. We can say that cycas is the dioecious where male and female cones are present on different plants. We can say that the female cone consisting plant is known as female plant and male cones consisting plant is known as male plant. Now, microspore mother cell, that is MMC, microspore mother cell is differentiated from one of the cell of the nucellus. ये nucellus से बनती है, which is protected by envelopes, and the composite structure is called as ovule. है ना? It is born on megasporophylls to form the female cones. Microspore mother cell divided meiotically, or meiosis division takes place here, to form 4 haploid megaspores, one enclosed within the megasporangium, that is nucellus. Nucellus is the megasporangium. Now it develops into a multicellular female gametophyte that bears 2 or more female sex organs, that is archegonia. The male and female gametophytes do not have an independent free living existence. They remain within the sporangia retained on the sporophyte. Now, pollens released from the microsporangium in the air current and come in contact with the opening of the ovule borne on megasporophylls. That is, this is the process of pollination. Here pollination takes place, pollens spread over the megasporophylls, which consisting of the female gamete. Now, the pollen tube carrying the male gametes grows towards the archegonia in the ovules and discharge their contents near the mouth of archegonia. Content means the male gametes. Male gamete discharged by the pollen tube near the archegonia. It follows the fertilization. यानी कि fertilization takes place here. Meeting of male and female gametes takes place inside the archegonia and fertilization takes place. Now, after fertilization, the results, the development of the zygote. Zygote is formed after fertilization, as we know that. And zygote develop into an embryo and ovule into naked seed. यहाँ पर zygote embryo में develop होता है और ovule naked seed में develop हो जाता है. you have kind information. The largest ovule in plant kingdom is of Cycas ovule. This is 1 mark, very important question. Now, gymnosperms exist a diplontic life cycle and alternation of generation. Examples of gymnospermic plants are Pinus, इसे पाइन्स के नाम से जानते हैं, Cedrus, Cycas, Jingo, etc. These are the some examples of gymnosperms. Here we also go through the life cycle of a gymnosperm, that is Pinus. So go through this life cycle. This is very important short note also. This is the sporophyte or main plant body. As I discussed in previously in this video, that is gymnosperm consisting of the sporophytic body. इनकी main body होती है sporophytic. So this sporophyte of Pinus consisting of male cones and female cones on the same plant body. The male cones bear on the microsporophylls while the female cones bear megasporophylls. Likewise, the microsporophylls bear on microsporangia and megasporophylls on megasporangia. Now, microspore mother cells are formed inside the microsporangia, while the megaspore mother cells formed inside the megasporangia. Here, meiosis division takes place. After meiosis, the haploid microspores are formed by microspore mother cells, and haploid megaspores are formed from megaspore mother cells. Now, megaspores give rise female gametophyte, while the microspore give rise pollens. Now, gametophyte, female gametophyte get converted into archegonia, and pollens into male gametes, while archegonia into female gametes. We can say that male gametes are present inside the pollen grains. Now, fusion of both of these male and female gametes give rise to the formation of zygote. This zygote get converted into embryo. This is diplontic stage starts from the zygote formation. Embryo is also diplontic, consisting of the 12 number of chromosomes, and embryo get converted into seeds, and seed further give rise to sporophyll or main plant body. So this phase from zygote up to the microspore mother cells and megaspore mother cells is called as diplontic phase or sporophytic phase, consisting of diploid number of 12 number of chromosomes, while the phase is starting from the microspore from microspore mother cells and megaspore from megaspore mother cell, that is from microspore and megaspore formation up to the fertilization. Before the fertilization is known as gametophytic or haplophytic phase. So each phase altered to each other. This phenomenon is known as alternation of generation. Now, another important topic, economic importance. It is also a kind of short note. 1 mark questions have been asked from this topic, economic importance. 1 mark questions may be asked in the competitive examination, just like NEET, etc. So this is very important. Go through each and every point seriously. Now, most of the conifers provide enormous amount of the soft wood for construction of the packing materials, plywood, poles, matchboxes, and particle board, as well as paper industries. So soft wood is utilized all of such kind of industries. Now, second thing is that the pine trees yield the large amount of the resin, which is used for manufacture of the turpentine. Now, क्या यूज होता है इस टर्पेंटाइन का? Resins and turpentine used for making paints and varnishes. जितने भी पेंट्स और वार्निशेस बनाए जाते हैं उसमें रेजिन्स और टर्पेंटाइन का यूज होता है. आपने सुना होगा टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल, यानी कि चीड़ का तेल जिसे बोला जाता है ना, टर्पेंटाइन ऑयल. उसका इस्तेमाल होता है वार्निश वगैरह करने के लिए, स्मूथली करने के लिए वार्निश वगैरह में तो उसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. द सीड्स ऑफ, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, सीड्स ऑफ पाइनस जियार्डिया. 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन पूछा था भाई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस में भी. नॉन एज चिलगोजा, which is used as the ड्राई फ्रूट्स, चिलगोजा आपने कभी खाया होगा, तो चिलगोजा यूज एज द ड्राई फ्रूट्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द पाइनस जियार्डियाना. नाउ द सागो इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम sago palm, that is from Cycas revoluta, which is also edible. So Cycas revoluta, sago palm. Which tree is known as sago palm? Which type of gymnospermic plant is known as sago palm? That is Cycas revoluta. This is also 1 mark competitive question. बहुत important है भाई, ध्यान से देखिए इसे. तो sago, do you know about sago? Sago is a kind of the edible white spherical ball-like structure, जिसे हम साबूदाने के नाम से जानते हैं. साबूदाना जो व्रत वगैरह में भी खाया जाता है. नाउ द वैल्यूएबल ड्रग्स लाइक एफिड्रीन इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द एफिड्रा स्पीसीज. So this is all about the division gymnosperm. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.